Are you in any form or type or version of trauma? Have you been traumatized? Or are you currently going through a kind of trauma? Trauma can come in various ways, especially with everything happening around the world now. Hunger can cause trauma. Domestic violence can cause trauma. Divorce can cause trauma. Loss of a loved one can traumatize somebody. You can grieve on someone. Grieving can come from yourself, it can come from others close to you, maybe the way they're doing, that kind of thing. There are so many things that could bring trauma to one's life. But you are not alone. You can thrive beyond trauma. You can create, you can build. You have the resilience to thrive, to grow, to transform, even beyond trauma. You might just need the guide of an expert or master coach who could help you. I'm Dr. Josephine, and I'm a professional life coach. I want to quickly give you 3 steps you can take right now to thrive beyond trauma. And the first step you can take is by shifting your mindset. Yeah, shift your mindset. You need to focus on what you can control. And then plan a kind of action to move forward. The second step, you need to set clear goals. No matter how small, you must make that goal measurable. That's what we call it SMART. It has to be small, measurable, achievable goals. The goals within your control, you can control now. Because that will put your mind outside that traumatic experience towards your personal or professional growth. And the third step, you need to surround yourself with people, with others. Don't stay alone. Talk out, communicate. There are so many people or even professionals who are there to guide you, to help you overcome your present traumatic situation, to make you thrive. And that's where even as a professional life coach, I come in to guide you. If you want to know more about how I can help you, how we can work together, you can call me on 404-590-8414 or send me an email at languageos@gmail.com, or better, you can check my website for my services, languageos.com. Check any other foreign duties in the description link.